things that I am always diligent about is making sure that I clean my machine, especially my serger, in between projects or sometimes even within a project. The first thing that you're going to do is, let's remove our threads. Let's get those out of the way. We really don't need these in the way while we're cleaning. So we're just going to snip, raise our presser foot, and we'll just pull those threads out of the way. One of the areas that probably I think gets the dirtiest is right around this cutting blade. And depending upon your fabric, this can get really linty. And I'm always want to make sure that I have that nice and clean for the start of my next project, or even within a project that I might be working on. And down in here I have all sorts of dust. I get rid of all of that too. You can use a little vacuum cleaner. I actually have an old makeup brush that or actually I shouldn't say it, it's an old, I bought it really inexpensively at a supply store, and I'm just going to get rid of all of that lint. And now what happens is it just keeps everything running and working smoothly, and it doesn't also end up in my next project. It's one of always my biggest moments where I say I should have cleaned my machine up because a thread from a previous project or a lint from a previous project ended up in something that I was working on. And again, I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to clean that up. So a clean machine is just, I think, a machine that's going to last you a little bit longer. It's just like your car. You take your car in for regular maintenance, you should take your machine in for regular maintenance. You vacuum and wash your car, you should keep your serger clean. So it's a really quick and easy way to clean the Baby Lock Vagrant. There's not a whole lot there. As you can see, when we were cleaning, everything is right up front and you can get at everything very easily. So these are just the steps you need to take to keep your Baby Lock Vagrant clean and happy.